Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the AirTag and a couple of the accessories. We have an official Apple leather keyring here, and then we have the Belkin keyring right here. I was doing a live unboxing of my AirTag, which is right here, but I had to delete that because when I set it up in the app on screen, it was showing the map and my address and that kind of stuff. So I had to get rid of that. So there's no actual unboxing of the AirTag, but it's pretty simple. It's a $29 accessory, so it just comes in the box with the little sleeve with some instructions. It does tell you to make sure you have your phone up to date because iOS 14.5 just came out at the beginning of the week, which adds the support for the AirTag, so you're going to want to make sure you download that. It is just wrapped in this little plastic right here. As soon as you pull that off, it activates the AirTag, activates the battery, and you set it up just like a pair of AirPods. Hold it close to your phone and you get the pop-up. We will walk through the certain portions of the app in another video, and I'll show you guys the finding process and that kind of stuff. But like I said, it does show a lot of maps, personal information, and that kind of stuff. So I won't be able to show everything just because there'd be so much to blur, you know, privacy reasons and that kind of stuff. It's got phone numbers, addresses, all that kind of stuff right up front and center on the screen. But that's the AirTag. It's a solid glossy top, and then it's got the stainless steel bottom right here. It just says AirTag, designed by Apple in California, made in China, ultra wideband, Bluetooth LE, so it's just got the information about the technology on the bottom. We'll go ahead and open the Apple leather keyring first right here. This is the $35 keyring. They do have, I think it's a $29 like loop as well if you want to put it like on the handle of a backpack or something like that. But the keyring will work for like keys. I'd say you could probably put it on like a jacket zipper, that kind of stuff. So it just comes snapped in there, nothing too fancy. It's got a little bit of plastic right here, or paper, whatever it is, holding the snap in there. So to install it, you just drop it down in there, snap it back closed, and there you go. You can go ahead and put that on your keys. So it is quite large, to be honest. It's pretty thick as well. But it's nothing too crazy. It would definitely fit on most keys just fine. Let's take a look at the Belkin one as well, just to see if that one is any smaller. I don't, it can't be too much smaller because it's got to fit the AirTag, but we'll see how this one is. I like the red leather on that one. I think that will go nicely. So this one right here does not come assembled. Let's see, so it comes in two pieces, and then it comes with the keychain. I'm actually going to leave that off because if I do end up putting this one on my keys, I would just use a ring that I already have on there instead of adding another one. I'm sure you can take this one off as well if you want to do that and just slide it through the leather right there. But we'll go ahead and pull the AirTag out. One thing a lot of people were concerned about with the AirTags is that people can just take the battery out, or they can just disable it if it their phone notifies them that they're being followed by an AirTag that isn't theirs. And one thing I want to point out is these aren't for really finding stolen items. If somebody's going to steal your item, this tag is not going to help you with that. Sure, they can take the battery out very easily, but they can also just take the tag off and throw it out very easily, just like they could turn your phone off, smash your phone, take all that kind of stuff. So these are for helping you find lost items, and hopefully the person will be honest and report it as lost, or keep the AirTag intact and that kind of stuff. And help you find it. But that's the Belkin one. That one's pretty plain, just a black one. They do come in different colors. I think they have like white and pink or something like that. I'll probably use this one for now. But that is the Apple AirTag for $29 with a replaceable battery, 4-pack for $99. I think it's a great value, especially if you have a few different items that you want to throw these things on. Say you lose your keys, they fall under the couch or wherever in your house. As long as you know the general area you saw them last, you can use the Find My app on the iPhone 11 and up to do the precision finding. That works about 30 feet. I did hear the Bluetooth works a little bit farther, so if you want to like play a sound on it, something like that, to kind of help you start locating it, and then you can use the precision finding to get a little bit closer. So we'll test all that out later in another video. I've got to do that separately just because, like I said, I've got to get some of the privacy stuff out of the way, and I'm going to move my phone and stuff downstairs, and we'll show you guys that and what it looks like. But I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.